In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to borrow money from Regions Bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Borrowing money from the Regions Bank is a very simple process. You will be able to initiate it through their website as I'm doing in this video, or alternatively through the mobile app or through a web browser on your phone. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to explore all the loans and lines of credit options that they offer and choose one that is best suited for you. So once you visit their website or the mobile app at regions.com, you will be able to select between personal or small business to explore the financing, loans, and lines of credits option that they offer. Usually under personal, you will find all of the options in the loans and lines of credit menu. Immediately upon selecting this, you can choose a specific type of loan, so for example, auto loans, student loans, or personal loans, and as long as you choose any of these, you will be able to start the process of acquiring your loan. For this video, I'm just going to go into the overview, and I highly recommend that you do so as well. In here, you will be able to get a summary of all the types that they offer and choose one that is best suited for you. So I'm going to go ahead and select personal loans for this video. Immediately upon selecting a type of loan, you can find all the subtypes of that specific loan that you chose. You can see that they might differ on the rates, the minimum amount, or the maximum amount that you can get. And for some of these, you will be able to apply online, so it's very convenient as long as you have a Regions Bank account, or for others, you will have to make an appointment and visit them at a physical branch. By scrolling down on the page for any loan type that you choose, you will be able to get answers to any questions that you might have and see all of the benefits, the qualifications, and differences between all of these subtypes. As long as you find a certain option that best suits you, you can start comparing them and you will be able to apply, like I said, either online or through a branch. If you wish to acquire more security and guarantee that the contracts are best for you, make sure that you go over to a branch. But if all you want to do is get convenience and you are satisfied with all the terms, features, rates displayed here, click on Apply Now and follow the instructions on screen to start the process of borrowing money from the Regions Bank. You will have to include a lot of contact information, your address, and some business expenses or your earnings depending on the type that you chose between personal or business. Unfortunately, because all of this includes a lot of personal information, I cannot show you this full process on screen, but as you can clearly notice, it is very straightforward. Answer all of these inputs honestly and you will be able to get this process done. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from the Regions Bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.